Hey guys, a quick impromptu video as we near the close. The markets are coming off their lows. The week we're closing out very, very strong. We had a very good week. So now what I want to do is see whether or not we want to open up some opportunities into next week. We're looking at Meta. We're looking at Nugget, NUGT. So let's get to it. First, let's take a look at the market and how we're setting up here for the close. Here's Nugget. This is a 4-hour chart, and you can see how it's still very weak. But I think we can sell premium here. Implied volatility has risen to now 20%. Not great, but good enough for government work. So I'm willing to put on a spread here. Talon, that's right. It's going to be a good weekend. I can tell. Positive mental attitude. I'm going on a boat in a little while. So I wanted to get this out. I'm liking Nugget here. Let's take a look at the intraday charts. For those who are not familiar, Nugget is a leveraged ETF, putting you long of the gold mining stocks. And the reason why, we spoke about this last night on Thursday Night Stock Charts Live, that the dollar is appearing to be a little bit toppy. Doesn't mean it's definitely going down, but a little bit toppy. Let's go to the weekly chart. Yeah, we're right up and into resistance. I'm willing to put this trade on Nugget. Rolling over here. So let's do it. Okay. So first thing we want to do is, if we're going to sell a strangle, I'm not going to take any risk here. I'm not betting that Nugget is done going down. So I'm going to put a call side on this as well, right off the bat, not just sell puts, because it's not just going to go straight up, or it shouldn't go straight up. And the dollar could still continue up higher. So I'm going to probably sell a 15 delta on each side. So let's take a look. I want to go out. I'm surprised they don't have more strikes here on the quarterlies. What are the deltas? Nah, no good. This is what we did with Boyle. Got too close to the price on our strangle, and it hurt. I'm not going out 63 days. I don't like going out only 35 days, but at least I can get away from the price. That's a 22 delta, 20 delta at 24.50. All right, that's as good as we're going to get. So we're going to sell to open these 922s. What do the 30s look like? That's too close. Oh, duh. We want to keep this balanced out. All right, so good enough for government work. So I'm going to throw 10 contracts on here. All right. I always have to double check because I screw up my orders. Sell to open 10 contracts. Strangle, $1.23. Net credit. Notice we're not buyers here. We are sellers of the premium. We are the casino and not the gambler. Boom. We'll wait till that, see if we get filled at $1.23. Now I want to start taking a look at Meta. Now, Meta's come off the lows of the day. I would have liked to have sold premium earlier in the day. We'll go out 42 days. I'm being very, very conservative, if you can't tell. Looking for a roughly 10 delta. That'll do her. Call side. Now, if we rally here, I'm going to open up more calls. I'm just going to do 5 contracts. Let's see what we're looking like internally here. Nice HE hold. Yeah. Shenanigans. I actually still own some common stock. I put it in my I have a retirement account, and I said, you know what? I have a whole bunch of cash in there. Let me. It's only 500 shares. It's not a lot, but it's yielding. You know, if this thing stays alive, they had that governor, either governor or mayor or whatever, over in Hawaii, resigned today. So that's probably taking a little bit of heat off of HE, and we still have the premiums, the 10 contracts on the puts. So we're going to stick with that. All right, so back to Meta. I wanted to take a look at how we were closing out today. META. Yeah, no doubt. No doubt. I'm going to go for it here. See if they'll take a higher offer. We could always lower it. All right, so we got our deltas are 10, 240 puts, same expiration date. All right, so that order is in. Let's take a look at the rest of the market. I'm going to give these a couple of minutes, then I'll adjust the bids. Odds of the Federal Reserve not raising rates in September just rose. Yields broke support today. Bonds are catching a bid. They're coming off their highs, though. Tips coming off their highs. Dollar's still flat. Transports up on the day. Bullish reversal bar. Light volume. Dow Jones was positive. Now flat on the session. S&P 500, daily view. Still down on the session. Now the Qs, this is where the rubber meets the road. They're just barely holding on to support here. IWM, beautiful day here, small caps, and they've capitalized on this reversal bar today. The banks struggling. XLK reversal. Now up on the session. That bodes well for the Qs. Staples up. Yeah, these are all overdone. I closed out the short put position on MPC, and we made profits real. This is, I'm glad I did, because this looks like it wants to go up higher now. My father calls me today. He's like, "You shorted Marathon? That's a great stock." I'm sure it is, but it was way too overbought. Check out gold. This is the end of day chart. Ugh. It's been up most of the day. Now down. Now the spot price is up, but GLD is down. Silver may be bottoming here. Oh, the silver miners. They trade with the gold miners. Emerging markets down. BHP, a Doji Star formation. J&J broke. Netflix, reversal bar. Okay, let's check in on those trades. Let's get them off here. They're not taking my offers. There's no activity out there in option land. All right. They don't take it. They don't take it. I'm not going to lower my offers. I got to get paid premium. All right, guys. Comments. I bought daily NVIDIA puts at open, rode the lightning for 10 minutes and got it. Good for you. Smart. We need to have your dad as a special. Yeah, that would be good. He's a character. All right, guys. Have an awesome weekend, and I will talk to you tomorrow on the week ahead commentary. Have an awesome weekend. Be well.